Hello guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to add PayPal on OnlyFans. Now, I'm not going to beat around the bush. Can you use PayPal as a payment method on OnlyFans? Short answer, no. And I'm going to explain it to you why. And I'm going to give you an alternative, which is, it's common sense. So if you type in onlyfans.com/help, you're going to be brought to OnlyFans's community guidelines, and under general questions, you're going to be seeing payment. So under payment, you're going to see the accepted payment methods and the not accepted payment methods on OnlyFans. So under accepted, you have Visa and MasterCard, which is your credit cards. Discover, you have Maestro/debit cards, which are pretty much linked to your bank accounts, and some prepaid Visa cards. Now, under not accepted, you cannot use prepaid cards, you cannot use gift cards, and sadly, you cannot use PayPal. Now, you might be wondering, why can't I use my PayPal on, OnlyFans? Well, it's very easy if you go to PayPal's FAQ. So, under my account, what is PayPal's policy on transactions that involve sexually oriented goods and services? Well, we do not permit PayPal account holders to buy or sell sexually oriented digital goods or content delivered through a digital medium. Examples of digital mediums include downloadable pictures or videos and website subscriptions. So that's what PayPal is. So it's clearly stated here on PayPal's policies that you cannot use them to pay for, adult content. And that is predominantly, pretty much at this point, 99% of what OnlyFans is. Now, you might be wondering, so how can I do this, right? Well, as you can see here, going back to accepted payment methods, you have your debit cards and you have your Visa and MasterCard. Now, either your debit cards or your MasterCards or credit cards are linked to your bank account. So it's pretty easy to just, click on add card here. It's on the homepage, and just fill in your bank account, your debit card, right? And you might be wondering, well, I still want to use it. You can't use it. And to be honest, if you really want to support your favorite OnlyFans creator, if you're going to use PayPal, even if that's an option, PayPal's going to, tax you on it too. So you're just going to pay more. So again, you cannot use PayPal. You can, however, use your bank account or your debit card that's linked to your bank account, which is pretty much linked, by the way, to your PayPal account. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.